I'm Tiffany. Diamond.
So,
And we have a show out. What's the name of that show? Oh yeah, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. The Freaky Diamond Show! LOL! Ooh, yeah, that's the name of our show. You need to watch it. I'm telling you, you need to watch. If you need something to laugh at, watch our show. Okay. Alright. Diamond, you have anything to say?
so honored to have my own show.
Ma'am, get that show.
She's in my show too. But it's my show, and she had her own show, but she stopped it because, like, mine was better. Everything of mine is better
You
than
know what? I don't
my
understand.
stuff.
I don't understand what you're talking about. My show was just too boring. Y'all wouldn't have watched it no way.
That's what she wants to hear. My show. Yeah, I know. Whoever out there loves my show already, send me a message, a comment,
Yeah.
something.
And yeah. You call? Okay. She don't think so. She don't not think so. Nah, Alonzo's somewhere.
At Aaliyah house.
At Aaliyah house. Okay.
Oh, it's called on Keep On Rolling.
Dang. Okay.
What she say?
She said, look on the skating ring thing. Bye, guys. Bye.
Wait. Let me say my buys.
I want to put this on YouTube.
Bye. Because I'm
Sam?
hot. Just bye.
Just pretend to.
Bye.